on the show. Sandeep, hi there, morning. What's your take on Paytm, given the fact that we understand that SoftBank is mulling yet again paring their stake in this counter?
Yes, I think it follows a series of stake sale by foreign investors into the earlier investors into Paytm. Paytm is a company where the promoter holding is almost nothing, and most of the stock still is held by foreign investors. I think over 50%, if I remember rightly, even after these sales. So I think as the uncertainties continue, these sales will keep on happening at periodic intervals and keep the pressure on the stock price.
Okay, that's the take coming in on Paytm, still struggling around that 400 rupee per share mark. Sandeep, stepping into the month of March, seasonality says that, 7 out of 10 times in the past months of March, we've managed to gain. But what's the overall market construct looking like? Is it looking a little top heavy and you think there will be some weakness perhaps in store for us?
Markets have been top heavy for some time, but I think the momentum of flows, especially in the domestic markets, have been so strong that we have not seen the corrective move play out. So possibly it could happen over March and April. But I think there are two things we need to know. That one, I think it will be just a bull market correction, which sometimes tend to be swift and sharp and shake up the people who have been very bullish just on momentum. So that's something which could happen. And secondly, I think post correction things should still be fine because the macro factors are favoring the equity markets longer term. So the bigger, I think, frenzy has been on the small and mid cap side. And that's where on news based, story based, small and mid caps, people need to be careful.
So, would you recommend buying anything in the mid and small caps universe in the next few days, or would you say steer clear of that pocket?
So we have been accumulating on everyday stocks, which we think are down and have things working for them, which could lead to gains going forward, which includes stocks like V-Guard Industries, where I think on the consumer durable side, that's a very credible management and earning growth momentum could pick up going forward. And as a turnaround candidate with renewed management focus, we have been accumulating VIP Industries. On the large cap side, I think uh, things are still okay on the auto sector, stocks like L&T, etc., to buy on dips. And at some stage over the next few weeks, large cap banks also, and they are in a reasonable buy zone even now. But I think if the liquidity tightness persists, then there could be some more concerns around them on the margins, etc., which could get better opportunities over the next few weeks also.